Are you tired of copying and pasting notes between OneNote and Notion? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing into the search bar OneNote and Notion. Then I'll click Try It. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up OneNote, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your OneNote account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. To do that, select the notebook and section you'd like to use for your Zap and click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Our actions event is already selected, so you'll want to click Continue. Next, log into your Notion account just like you did with your OneNote account and click Continue again. From there, we can start to assign our trigger app's data into the action apps fields. I'll select the database I'd like to use for my Zap and then I'll fill out my details. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Click Test Step, and we should be all set. Let's check our Notion account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a user creates a new note in OneNote, a Notion database item will automatically be created as well. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if OneNote and Notion aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.